Good afternoon. This is MetLoop meteorologist Nancy Koslick here with an update on today's forecast. We're continuing to see lots of showers and a few thunderstorms for the state of Texas this afternoon as we've got a lot of moisture making its way in there. And I'll explain what's going to happen over the next couple of days here in just a minute. But we're also seeing some activity left over in the northeast. We've got some snow showers and rain showers, especially for New York right now. And the same heading into the Pacific Northwest. We're seeing those widespread showers of both the rain and snow variety heading into Washington and Oregon this afternoon, and it's going to stay pretty wet over the weekend for you guys as well. So a closer look at Texas. We haven't seen any severe weather today, and it doesn't look like we're going to. Nothing widespread and severe is expected, but we could see just some of this general thunderstorm activity in the afternoon and evening hours, especially as we get some of that heat of the day going. But what we're seeing over the next couple of days is a low pressure system that's going to cut itself off from the rest of the main flow and continue to very slowly track across the state of Texas. So we're going to look for quite a bit of rainfall over the next several days. Not necessarily severe weather, but lots of rainfall. So make sure that you have those umbrellas handy all the way through your weekend, because this is going to be very, very slow moving and eventually move its way along the Gulf Coast over the next few days. As far as rainfall totals go for the next 72 hours, notice the bullseye right over the very eastern portions of Texas and the very, very western part of Louisiana as well. We're looking at the possibility of, over the next 3 days, up to 10 inches of rain, and that includes for Houston. So if you live in this area, make sure that you're planning on staying indoors this weekend because it's going to be messy and the potential for flash flooding is there as well. Looking ahead into the rest of this afternoon and the overnight hours tonight, notice the very wide area of rain and even thunderstorms that's going to be making its way, especially through the state of Texas, but also along the Gulf Coast of Louisiana as well. So this is going to be the case over the next couple of days with that upper level low cutting off and making its way to the east. So we're going to see this rainfall stick around for quite a while, and we're expecting some pretty large totals, especially along the Gulf Coast over the next several days. So make sure that you're being safe, and if you can, stay off of those roadways over the weekend. As always, you can receive more information on what's going on with the weather by looking at our Facebook page as well as Twitter and metloop.com. Thank you very much for watching this afternoon, and have a wonderful and safe weekend.